We'll guide you through how to configure Netlify DNS for your domain. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Netlify website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and select the site you want to configure DNS for. On the site dashboard, look for the Domain Settings option in the left-hand menu and click on it. Here you'll see a section called Custom Domains. Click Add or Register Domain if you haven't added one yet. Enter your domain name and follow the prompts to add it. Once your domain is added, scroll down to the DNS Settings section. Here you can see all your DNS records. If you've just added your domain, you might need to configure some DNS records. Click Add a new record to start. You can add an A record, CNAME, MX, and more depending on what you need. For most setups, you'll at least need an A record pointing to Netlify's IP address, or a CNAME pointing to your site's subdomain. Once you've added the necessary records, click Save. Netlify will now manage your DNS settings. Don't forget to check back later to ensure everything is properly propagated, which can take up to 48 hours. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.